Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome. This is UCE Mathematics channel, and tonight I've brought you the proposed UCE scoring grade 2025, the one that was set on 15th of October 2025. So it is here. You can simply go through it. So we have our item 1, as you can see it. So just pause the video, pause a bit the video. So we have part B of item 1. It is there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more mathematics videos and also mathematics lessons and tutorials together with items. So we have our item 2. Don't forget to like, share the video, and this is specifically for the senior 3s and other remaining learners and teachers, not the ones that are doing exams. And please take note that we upload only past papers, not the ones that are yet to come or to be done. So we have our item 3. It is here. Just pause the video. We only upload past papers. So we have item 4. It is here. If you want the question paper, I'm going to leave the link in the description. You just tap on it and watch or view the question paper of the UCE 2025. So we have item 5 on table. Just pause the video and read. So this is for serious revisions for the other remaining learners in senior 3, 2. Then we have item 6, the last item here. And thanks for watching. Endeavor to subscribe for more videos. See you again. Goodbye.